She thought it was just shoplifting. She was wrong. The moment she walked through the Walmart door, after being formally trespassed at multiple locations, she had already committed a felony, and every item she hid in her clothes added another charge.
All right, come on, give him the stuff.
That's an insurance factor. She's not supposed to be here.
Has she already been trespassed? Find me that trespass and she'll go to jail. Come on. Off the cart, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. You have the car. I'm taking a step out.
Okay.
I'll get you an action code.
Okay.
Check the receipt. I'm not sure about what's in here.
Y'all gonna get rid of all of this? Mm-hmm. Because it was in her. I assume.
Where's your receipt, ma'am? I'm not sure if she's on the So she rang this up 3 times. There's 2 bell pepper on here. No, great. Oh, you paid for it. No, you did not. You paid for a bell pepper 3 times. I got the salads. Peaches, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 peaches.
Give me your driver's license, please.
I have.
Thing is computer.
No, I'm gonna need to get my purse.
Officer's in charge.
Here's something from our store. I mean, I can print out all of them if you need it, but
What was this, 23?
Yeah, but it's been an...
Just hold that, put it with the paperwork.
Those are on there. This is my code for you.
I need to make a copy of it.
What's page
Working an accident.
I need to make a copy.
All right. Are you able to come into the office?
192.
You can swing your foot around there.
No, I can't understand your traffic.
You won't be able to drive.
Okay. Sir, I'm not able to understand your traffic.
So you have been trespassed from Walmart before in 23, several other Walmarts apparently. You're going to be charged with a felony this time, and you're going to go to jail today. You are under arrest.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, what'd you do with that tie?
It's right here on the desk.
Can't get it out. Just want to grab this.
So I'm gonna
until it comes to my purse.
that's gonna go with you to the jail. Is she here in the parking lot? Yeah, I don't care where your phone at.
My phone, I don't have my phone. Can you call her?
I'm not calling anybody.
So you let her know to leave?
That's gonna she'll figure it out. Where is she parked at?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Oh my.
Question about
I hate being short.
Are you gonna look?
Well, take it back, return it because I can't.
I need a total for everything that you took.
Yeah, I'll get this, but the food, are you gonna keep it?
Return it, so because I can't.
She's asking for you to return it.
Okay, then I need your EBT card with your PIN number wrote down.
Okay.
Because I have to have that to go back on it.
Okay.
So I'll have to get my bag to get her EBT. That's an old receipt.
Strip out, bro. Where's your EBT card at?
It's on the side.
Is that it?
I have two.
Yeah, but
Says she got 2.
Jamie Wiggins.
this one says Timothy.
Well, Jamie is her name.
125.
Is this the one you
But I'm en route.
No, I do.
Would you watch her for me, please?
We'll talk about things under first.
He said he had one before, so I figured let him do one.
Nice. Is she searching in there?
What?
Is she searching? Okay.
She is.
We'll deep dive in there.
It's bad, man. She stinks.
I'll say you let her try.
No, made me no difference. I don't care.
We'll do the report. Easy enough to do.
Y'all want it, y'all can have it.
Hey man, I'm here to help you and your folding phone.
You want to transport?
I will. Yeah.
Straight to the don't pass it over.
Okay, I'll transport it. No, you the best.
You smell that fish?
Throw my gloves in.
Lord have mercy. Dennis, when you gonna give me some of that money you got, man?
I don't know. Gonna borrow
You
something
got it,
from
you know, you got it all, man. I'm just trying to get like you.
I promise you won't be a little bit better off than me.
Trying to get like you.
How you gonna do that? There's no, we ain't calling nobody, we ain't talking to anybody, we're going back to the police department and going to jail. That's it.
So I know you already know. So you've already been talked to you over.
Sound like a black man. I know, right? I bet you want to
trying to break that, flip that back.
So when you flip it, just push down on there.
No, man. I'm trying to break it. Oh, that's too expensive for me. I ain't got Devon Smith money.
I wish I had Devon Smith money.
Whose money you got? Is that whose money you got today?
Uncle Sam got my money.
Well, I feel that one.
He take it every couple weeks.
He wasn't even kind enough to let me win that lottery the other day.
Ain't nobody win it. And they had 2 drawings,
No,
too, back to back,
somebody
didn't they?
did.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they started all over.
No, for real? 100 and some million?
So 2 people had winning
1.7
tickets.
billion or something like that.
There was one in Missouri, and there was one that a college kid in a fraternity at Texas University won. So they're splitting the 1.8 in half.
I'd take half of that.
I'd quit college.
Oh, yeah.
I can promise you this, man. I wouldn't be working for nobody else.
No.
Immediate 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Dude, you got 2 minutes. That check hits the count, I'm gone. Good luck to everybody else.
This is yours.
Thanks.
Here's your card.
And the hot springs and the notes.
The most underestimated charge.
Your report date and the note. Your
Oh.
refunds right here. All right. Peace
Thank
out.
you.
Oh, gotta go to a meeting.
Thank you, Marie.
Hey, tomorrow is Dennis's 30-year anniversary.
You
You been here 30 years?
take that little
Oh,
bag.
hit Walmart.
Damn.
No.
When you retire?
Yeah, when I can afford to. Sure.
Jeez, what?
Is she here? She like out in the parking lot? Waiting on me?
You know you were there still?
She thought she was gonna get those steaks.
Ain't nobody get them steaks.
You had to put any of pursuits on them cars like in state police do.
Not yet.
Well, they,
Nah.
they put it on them, don't they? They're trying
Hey.
to
I
That's something.
don't even know why they run in the first place, but
I
yeah.
don't either.
All right, you too, man. Have a good day.
All right, there's Brianna.
She got to pulling out them steaks. I said, oh no, not you. Put meat in the
I get up there, I said, oh God, you aren't putting those back on the shelf.
Oh, I got a twang to it.
Something wrong with it.
That'd be bad.
Oh Lord.
You change your seats with me.
Whatever you need.
Yours, this one's got the time on it, this one don't. I'll have to key every one of them in by hand.
I just want to say thank you for transporting for me.
Yes, you're welcome.
You are amazing.
I heard that, they're stuffing it, so like I checked in route. I mean, I figured y'all had it handled.
I heard Ricky say something
Yeah,
about.
well, you need to stay tuned. I said, sir, he's hiding stuff in her clothes.
Hush.
You just, when did you start talking on the radio?
you know he watched the video. You better quit.
Sir, I'm sorry. Appreciate it. So, only one given a court date is Mallory?
I think so.
Okay.
Hot Springs.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think she was 53 out of us too.
Was she?
I think so.
I have to go check.
It's gonna be commercial burglary. And she has a history of theft and conviction of theft all the way back, I think, to 2009.
Well, that sucks.
So she ain't new to the game. She true to the game.
Real OG right here.
Now,
The EBT or by state?
Huh?
EBT first, those by state.
I need one of them.
I was about to
Man.
say.
When they give them out?
I
I didn't know you could buy T-bones with an EBT card.
You can buy anything almost.
food stamps. Food
You used to,
stamp,
some
you can buy
people
anything.
used to could get cash back, like so much cash out of them too.
Yeah.
No, we don't need all that.
I'm telling you.
I didn't need the EBT for the food. If I cut my food expense and grocery expense and man,
Down here good.
oh dude, you talking about money?
Another new phone next week.
I have 3 phone foldables.
I have one.
Juggle 'em.
You're like, Smith, I need that new phone.
I got you. Here you go, boo. Boy, she getting the hell out there step time today.
Yeah, she is.
I said, Posse ain't playing around. She must got a trip or something coming up. Vacation or something.
Yeah.
Gotta be.
We just waiting on her sister, daughter, cousin. Are you the cousin, sister, niece? There we go.
No, what's the
We're going to be Shady Trail for food. Shady Trail for food.
How you doing? You actually working today?
Yeah, Martin.
Okay.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Right, I don't have your number.
I might need to pull my car up here.
I would.
Make a walk.
Well, Smith said she got legs.
Make a walk.
Did you see the trouble I just went through to get her to get up?
Make
to
her walk.
search?
She walked from that cart into there.
She got up and
got a point.
bumped me into this door and said, "Oh, I'm sorry." I said, "God."
I didn't mean to close that all the way. I just didn't want her yelling out here.
It's up to you, man. Go grab it. No, I'm just messing with you.
Maybe
I'm just here for support at
I'm
this
not
point.
going to say
Yes, that's what I
what
want.
I was about to
When do I
say
get
out
one?
loud.
What?
That's me, you'd have one now.
I like that.
It ain't.
Get
That
more
needs.
sweatier.
That need soap.
You get
hot
mine or
water.
You pulling it?
Borax. I'll go pull it.
She said borax.
That ain't gonna be enough.
She gotta pull them steaks out of us. You put them steaks back on the shelf, man.
I thought Arby's had the meats.
Got them steaks back on.
Put them on their manager special.
That's one of you. That meat bad, boy.
Yes, I'll tell you that one.
Oh, good gracious. Hello.
Walmart does provide when it comes to shoplifting. Gotta wait sometimes, but they do provide it. He's like, I ain't been over there for shoplifter before. And I'm like, he'll have it.
You ever had this place here?
Yes.
Is it good?
Food's good. It's a little pricey, but the food's good. Burgers.
All right. You ready to roll? All right, let's go. You know you're going to take that with you. Just imagine me being bumped into the door after this. Right there.
So you can move, boy.
She was charged with felony commercial burglary because she'd been trespassed from Walmart before and returned intending to steal. Officers found unpaid items, hidden stakes, and a long theft history dating back to 2009. Once someone is formally trespassed, returning to steal turned shoplifting into burglary, the officer handled it professionally with careful receipt checks and solid documentation. What do you think? Should repeat offenders face felony burglary charges after being trespassed? Comment below and subscribe for more body cam analysis. Stay safe out there.